Okay, Leet code 15, threesome. Given an integer array nums, return all the triplets nums I, nums j, nums k, such that I does not equal j, I does not equal k, and j does not equal k, and nums I plus j plus k equals 0. Notice that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplets. So if we have this array of nums, our output's going to be -1, this -1, different index, and 2. Which is equal to 0, and then -1 again, 0, and +1 is another solution. And we don't want duplicate triplets, otherwise there'd be another one of these with this -1, this 0, but not this -1, the other -1, 0, 1, and this -1. And it has to be unique numbers, otherwise we'd get 2 2s and a -4. So this one, we'll sort it. We'll sort the array. I believe this just works. And then nums.length. And then an answer, which will be in this format of arrays, nested arrays. And we need to loop through that I equals 0, I less than n. So since we sorted it, if the first number is greater than 0, then there's no solution, so we'll leave. And if I is greater than 0, and nums of I equal nums of I -1, then we're just gonna continue. Redo it. This is for if you have a bunch of the same number in a row, it'll skip through them since we don't need duplicate triplets. So that's what that's for. And then we'll use 2 pointers. We'll have a low or left pointer in the array, which is going to be I plus 1. And then we'll have a right pointer equal to n minus 1, starting from the other side of the array of nums. So while left less than right, so I is here, and then left is 0, and right is here, and then we'll move inwards, checking everything. So we'll have a sum equal to nums of I plus nums left plus nums right. And if that sum equals 0, we're going to add this as an array to our answer. Nums left and nums right. And then we'll do left plus plus, right minus minus. And we'll do the same thing as we did here with the while loop. So while left less than right, and nums of left equals nums of left -1. We'll do left plus plus. And then we'll do the same for this. Right plus 1. Skip all the duplicates. Oops. The other scenario is the sum is less than 0. If that's the case, then left plus plus, since the array sorted. Otherwise, right minus minus. And that will give us all the answers. Awesome. So when we meet in the center, we increase I by 1 and do it again. So, and then that's the way we check everything versus using a triple nested loop. So this runtime should be like n squared versus n cubed, since we still have to run through all of them, and another time here. So that's the runtime. Alright, and oh wait. Should submit. Make sure I'm right. Oh, there is a problem. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Okay. Well, let's sort. Oh, I don't know how it was sorting before, but it wasn't what I wanted. Okay, so you have to be explicit in this sort. I could only recognize that from the way things were returning. Alright, and then we can do the same thing in Python. I'm pretty sure Python sort. Well, we know JavaScript does not, but we'll test the Python one as well. The sort. Nums. And then we'll have our answer array. And then for I in range n. And then if nums of I is greater than 0, we leave. So if the first number is I, or whenever I is greater than 0, it's impossible to find another solution. So we can do it like this. And if I is greater than 0 and nums of I equals nums of I minus 1, we're going to continue. And then we have our left and right equal to I plus 1 and minus 1. And while left less than right, our sum, let's use total since sum is a keyword in Python. Nums I plus nums left plus nums right. So if total equals 0, our answer, oh wait, Python append nums I plus, not plus, nums left, nums right, and that's in an array, and then left plus equals 1 minus equals 1, and then while left less than right, and nums left equals nums left minus 1. And nums right equals nums right plus 1. Awesome. Then we'll do left plus equal 1. Right minus equals 1. And then else the total is less than 0. We'll do left plus equals 1. Else right minus equals 1. And we can return. I think this is the right indent for the answer. Awesome. 2-pointer solution for 3-sum.